How to fix AirPod crackling sound or static noise. It sometimes happens due to network issues, so open up your control panel by swiping down from the top right and click on airplane mode. Wait for some time and turn it off again and try to connect with your AirPod. It should work. If it still doesn't work, what you can do is reset your AirPods. So what you want to do is behind your AirPods, you can clearly see this button. What you want to do is open up your AirPods and press on that button for around 30 seconds and it's going to reset your AirPods. After you do that, try to use them again. Your problem should be fixed. And also try to clean your AirPods. Sometimes some dust also causes the issue. So that's how you guys can fix AirPods crackling sound. Subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.